Vikram from Synergy School of Business Skills. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Today's topic, everyone has a doubt that is GST can be worked in Tally. Yes, of course, GST can be worked in Tally, which is very easy compared to the other accounting softwares. I say it is really easy because you are just going to give an entry, a proper entry for GST, and it ultimately gives you the output that what to be collected and what is collected and what is going to be paid. Either it can be an central government tax or state government tax or interstate. I hope you know the difference between the different kinds of GST. If I am buying something from Chennai, I am in Madurai. If I want to buy something in Chennai, I pay GST in two ways, that is for central government as well as for state government, that is SGST and CGST. If I purchase, I am in Madurai and I want to purchase something in Bangalore, Hyderabad or in Delhi, that is a different state. I pay IGST, that is interstate goods and service tax. Okay, that is calculated in a single way. So, Tally gives you a detailed GST collection, GST payment, which simply you can just file your GST at the end of the year, and it gives you a simplest way compared to the other software wings like SAP, SAP or the other financial softwares. Tally gives you a simplest way because Tally is a user-friendly accounting tool. If you have any doubts, we have given our details in description and you can give your command. If you want to learn more about Tally and you have to know the techniques how we can earn from Tally, you can just always visit our office in Andalpuram, and we'll see you in the next video.